Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Flanagan. Today I'm going to be reading you a book. That doesn't look like a book, because before we read the book, I want to see if you can guess what I have hiding inside this mystery box. I'm going to give you some clues to see if you can guess what it is. My first clue is that it's something you see outside. My second clue is that it's something that is pink. Can you think of something you see outside that is pink? My third clue, Daisy. My third clue is that it's something that grows. Can you think of something that you see outside that is pink and it grows? Did you guess a flower? If you guessed a flower, then you were right. Look at this beautiful pink flower. This one has sprouted, but this one still has the flower bud. It hasn't opened up yet. Okay, friends, the reason I put a flower inside the mystery box was because we're going to be reading a book today called Counting in the Garden. And look at that beautiful pink flower on the front cover of the book. The author's name is Kim Parker. Her name starts with a K like Miss King's. And her last name is Parker. Counting in the Garden. I bet we're going to be doing some counting. There's the title page. Look at all those beautiful flowers. Counting in the Garden by Kim Parker. 1 cat purring in the garden. It's almost like the cat is camouflaged by the flowers. Do you see that cat? How many? Just 1. 2 turtles meeting in the leaves. Let's see if we can find the turtles. I see them. Look at those beautiful patterns they have on their shells. 1, 2. 2 turtles. 3 dogs frolicking in the posies. 1, 2, 3. Posies are flowers. And frolicking means they're jumping around, having fun. 4 bunnies finding love in the shade. Let's see, can we find 4 bunnies? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bunnies. 5 dragonflies. See the number 5? Dragonflies darting between the daisies. Let's see if we can find 5 dragonflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's number 5. What number do you think comes next? What comes after 5? 6. 6 ladybugs tiptoeing along a stem. The ladybugs are small. We're going to have to look closely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 on this side and 3 over here. All together, that makes 6. 6 ladybugs. 7 birds nesting among the blossoms. Let's see, 7 birds. Ooh, those are yellow birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, what comes next? What's after 7? 8. 8 bumblebees buzzing in the blooms. Okay, now we have to really look. We need to find 8 bumblebees. Okay, I'm going to zoom in and see if we can find them. I already see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's number 8. 8 bumblebees. 9 inchworms inching toward the petals. Oh, the petals of the flowers. Let's see. Now this is really tricky because the inchworms are green and the stems and the leaves are green. It's going to be difficult to find them. Let's see if we can do this. We need to find 9. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's number 9. 9 inchworms inching toward the petals. 10 butterflies flitting among the flowers. We love butterflies. Look at those beautiful butterflies. 10. Okay, let's see if we can find 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that one's upside down. Counting in the garden from 1 to 10. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The end. Bravo, bravo. Do you remember how you guys used to say bravo, bravo when I was finished reading a book? Okay, friends, I wanted to show you how a seed grows. So, first, in the dirt, we need to plant a seed. I'm going to plant the seed of a flower. And I'm going to pretend I'm digging a hole in the dirt, and I'm going to put my seed right down there. And if I want my seed to grow, I know that my seed is going to need some sunlight and not all the time, but it's definitely going to need some water. So we're going to have some rain to go into the dirt and feed my seed. And what happens is my seed is going to open up and it's going to start to grow. The roots of my seed are going to start to grow down into the dirt. And my seed is going to start to sprout. Now, you know why this is sprouting? Because it's looking for the sun. He's going to push through the dirt and start to grow up. Okay? And he's going to grow taller and taller. And my stem is going to have some leaves. And then I'm going to make a beautiful, what color should we have? Do we want a red flower or a purple flower? I have an idea. Maybe our flower can have a pattern. Okay, so we're going to make a red petal and then a purple petal and then a red petal and then a purple. What comes next? Red. And then a purple. And then a red. And then one last purple petal. Now let me tell you one more secret. Guess what? In the middle of my of my flower, there's little seeds inside here that someday are going to fly away out of my flower and help other flowers grow. So let's see, where are my roots? These are the roots of my flower. This is my seed. Seed. These are the leaves. These are the petals of my flower. And this long green part is called the stem. Why don't you try drawing a flower? But first, start off with the seed and try to remember all the things that happen to help a flower grow. Okay, friends. Bye-bye.